Hey, what's up, guys? It's Blake here at Boost Portfolio. In this episode, I'm going to answer the number one question that's most likely on your mind. What is going on with the price of Bitcoin? We're going to get into that right now. We have Bitcoin pulled up here in a daily time frame, and make sure you guys stay tuned because I really think this is going to help you out with some of your trading decisions and really how you can position yourself for the optimal outcome. Now, as you guys know, I do run a Telegram group. I give away all my alerts and access to my model portfolio in Telegram. I'm going to put that link below, so make sure you go ahead and get in Telegram. And also, if you want, I send out a newsletter that also has coin picks. And so make sure you hit the link below for monthly coin picks. All right, as you guys know, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Bitcoin pulled up here in a daily time frame, and you guys know we're trading inside of this wedge. Now, in my opinion, this wedge is a bearish wedge because technically we're coming from a high around 20,000, okay? And then we've sold off from that 20,000, and then now we're consolidating in this wedge here. And this wedge is a very important level to keep an eye on, is right around this 7,200 area, right at the bottom of the support line of this uptrend wedge. Now, those of you that have followed me long enough, you really know that I spend a lot of time on price inflection points, basically price levels where lots of trading action has occurred. And one of the levels that I'm noticing here, and I'm just going to go and draw it in, is really from this closing low in this opened candle right here, which is right around the 78 to 7,900 area, and all the way down to about this 75 or 65, I'm sorry, 6,900 to 6,500. Okay, this is what I would classify as a price inflection point. And the reason that I say that is because if you look closely, you can see this is where a lot of trading volume has occurred. Now, if I was to pull up a volume bar chart, you would see that there'd be a lot of volume coming in at this price level, basically a horizontal histogram. But I don't need that. I mean, I can see by these daily candles, this is an area of interest. This is a price level that's very interesting to a lot of buyers and a lot of sellers. Now, the more that we come and test this level, the more that we kind of knock on this door, the less and less support that really holds. So if we come and knock on this door again for a third time, really, it would be a very, very it wouldn't be, let me put it this way, it wouldn't be a high probability that we just immediately rally from here. It's probably more likely that we see more selling pressure and potentially break through here. Now, that's to be seen. Just in my experience of technical trading, the more that you knock on support, the higher the probability that that support isn't going to continue to hold. So the first level that we're watching is this uptrend support line right around 7,200. And then below that, this is kind of the end all be all, in my opinion, for the next long-term trend, is this 6,900 to the 6,500 range. I know it's kind of a big range, but that's what the range is, okay? That's what price is telling me. So keep a very close eye on this range. If we don't hold that, then it's likely that we come back and see some much lower prices, maybe even this 5,000 area, the 4,300 area. Those would be some downside targets that I would be looking at on Bitcoin. Now, by no means do I want that to happen, but obviously you have to prepare yourself and be prepared for all outcomes. So right now we're sitting with the majority of our position in cash. If you'd like to follow along any of our trades, make sure you hop in Telegram. That's where you find this information and also some weekly coin picks. So hope you guys found this video somewhat helpful. At this point, I wouldn't be panicking. I wouldn't be panic selling because this would be a good area for us to bounce off of. And one of the reasons I had this stochastic RSI pulled up as an indicator down here, as you can see, we are actually in the oversold levels. So this would be a prime area for a reversal if we're playing off of oversold and overbought levels. So I'm not panicking yet. If we start to close below this range, this 6,900 to 6,500 range, that would be definite cause for concern, and I think we will likely see lower prices if that does not hold. Now, if that does hold, that could be a great area to go ahead and quote-unquote buy the dip and potentially ride that up for a test of this upward downtrend line. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this channel with a couple people if you found it valuable at all, and make sure you hop in Telegram. So I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Have a great one.